You're watching me run company work in real time inside Sally using an AI assistant. No manual copy-paste, no lost tasks, just a clean project system that updates as we talk. If you run a team, you know the pain. Tasks scattered across chats, notes, and tools. Things get dropped or updated late, and the real work happens outside your system of record. We wanted one place for all company work and a fast way to keep it accurate. Sally is our project system, and MCP lets an assistant talk to Sally directly. So when I say create a project or import tasks, it actually happens in Sally instantly. I can feed my agent transcripts, meeting notes, emails, chats, files, anything related to a project. It can be this agent, like OpenClaw, or Claude Code, ChatGPT, NetN, whatever tool is best. The agent updates existing tasks, restructures the plan, outlines what's done, what changed, and what needs to happen next, and keeps the project on track without losing context. So, if I ask my assistant create a project tutorial in Sally, it needs to think a little. It finds the MCP connector, then it finds everything what it needs to do, and here's the project tutorial created in Sally. It appears in the Automate This workspace inside of tutorial. Now let's do add the 5 most important tasks which are due or overdue into this project. Now my OpenClaw pulls the tasks from the other workspaces and the other projects. Maybe it will ask something if it's too ambiguous, but usually it will just take a look at, okay, what's open, what's due, and so on. Look, and now we have 4 due today from lead gen plus 1 overdue from Alex YouTube. Want me to set the signees, blah, 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 blah. So if I reload, now we see here these different tasks. So now in my board view, I see it in my backlog. So of course I can switch and change and do, or inside the task view, I can just have this here. I see, that's nice actually. So I mean, the agent is an agent, right? So it understands IDs, but it also added the right task names and everything in here. It could even add a link to this other task. Yeah, so now that's super interesting. And of course, I can do whatever I like. I could even say, okay, think the whole. So let's do this here. Inside Alex YouTube, I have some stuff already going on. I have a task list with different things, and most of it is overdue, which is very interesting. So let's say, okay, let's do analyze Alex YouTube project and overhaul the project to a proper definitions, descriptions, and new due dates for what still needs to be done and what is actually done already, and assign me to these tasks. So now it really gets some work. Let's take a proper look here inside the board. We have stuff which is due in a few days. We have overdue stuff. I don't actually know what I should do with this because everything is overdue in here. I never took a proper look and so on. So let's see what the agent actually comes up with. That's super interesting because for me, it helps me a lot with prioritizing and project management in terms of, okay, what are all these tasks which are bulking in my backlog? And do we still need to do them, and so on. So I need a bit of ground truth. That's actually really interesting. Which items are already done? Are we still starting with Sally MCP, OpenClaw as a video, target cadence going forward, keep milestones as tasks or convert them to status labels, any hard dates I should anchor. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, let's do something like, honestly, I really don't know where to start. The milestones and all this stuff is from earlier. So please create a new project out of that, or make basically a new project, but keep it in there. And get everything into a new order, which would make sense. I am right now with this video tutorial working on this project. So this is actually the Sally MCP OpenClaw as video 1, which I'm already recording. So yeah, I guess this task is almost done. It needs editing, but yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is super vague. It also has like lots of interpretation problems because my English is like it is. So let's see what happens if I just push that. Oh my God, if I'm reading this, it's really funny. But let's see what the agent can do with it. Done. Nice. I overhauled Alex YouTube into clean pipeline, assigned everything to you, and set new dates. Mark done, channel position and promise, content lanes, video 1 angle, script, recording pack, record video 1, in progress, edit and publish video 1, due April the 5th. Ah, that's nice. So that's in due date, in 2 days. Backlog, video 2, So let's see what happened here. So let's reload. Oh, nice. Oh my God, that's so cool. And now we have new due dates and so on. So we are ready to go inside this project, and I really like that. This removes the admin tags. No more, I will update later. The system stays clean, the team stays aligned, and every conversation can end with the truth in Sally. So if you want this setup, start with Sally and MCP, build one source of truth, and let your assistant keep it updated. If you want the exact setup or a walkthrough, drop a comment and I will share my playbook.